Welcome. Today we are going to be creating a bunny party hat. What you'll need for this is a party hat and some construction paper, some Google eyes, some paper cement or rubber cement or glue, whatever you'd like to use, some tape, and a pen. So what I'm going to do to make our bunny hat, how I'm going to start, is with construction paper. Now I've already cut 2 bunny ears out of construction paper. And what we will do with some tape, we will tape our bunny ears in the back, behind the party hat, because the front of the party hat will be the bunny's face. You can adjust your bunny ears any way you want. You can use any color party hat, any color construction paper. Sky's the limit. Use your creativity and create. I'm going to put in an extra piece of tape just to secure everything real well. Do the same right through here. And maybe one more piece of tape right here. Now I'll turn it around so you can see what I've done. Taped our bunny ears real secure to the back of the party hat. You can play with that. Shape up your paper however you like. Now, our bunny needs a face. And that's where our rubber or paper cement is going to come in handy. I'll take one of our Google eyes. And I'll put some paper cement on the back of it. Then I'll glue on an eye, a bunny eye. Okay, and I'll take second googly eye. Put on some paper cement on the back part of the eye. And then I will glue the eye to the front of our party cap. Get the eyes. What do you think? Well, our bunny's going to need whiskers and a nose, and of course a mouth too. I'm going to start with the whiskers. Using the same color construction paper as the ears, I cut 2 strips. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the letter X, and I'm going to tape that together, like so. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to tape on the whiskers. That's a little too much tape. Let's see if I'll save that for another time. Let me see here. That's better. Okay, we've taped on our whiskers. And with a pink piece of construction paper, I made a triangle for a bunny nose. And for this, I'm going to use a little more paper cement. And our bunny has a bunny nose. Now, what does our bunny need? That's right, a mouth. So I have a marker, and I'm going to take our marker and I'm going to draw 2 lines for a mouth. One coming down from the nose and curving around like that. And I'm going to do the same thing once more, curving around like that. And then I'll just darken our line a little more. And we have a happy bunny party hat. What do you think? We made it ourselves. Put the top back on our marker so it doesn't dry out. I'll close up our paper cement so it doesn't dry out. What do you think? Our very own bunny cap, bunny party hat. You can make this too with your special adult. And I hope you'll take some time to do that. I'll see you next time for more creating